Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade Like a Sniper, where I walk you through a top-down analysis approach and frame a trade on a lower time frame using ICT's concept. So let's get right to it. I'll pick a random asset and we'll go start from the 12th month. So let's pick something first. Let's pick a random forex pair. Okay, from down here, let's say 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Euro yen. All right then. Okay. Interesting chart. Let's go to the 3-month and frame a trade. Let's just go 2-month. Somewhere in the middle. Okay. All right. So we have this here. Okay. Turn off the magnet. We have this 2-month CB. But it also came down to here. So toughy. Let's go to the monthly. Let's go to the weekly. See what it looks like. Okay. This is a 2-month gap. Okay, it's a tricky one. It's a very tricky one. Okay, so we have this 2-month in here as well. I'll highlight it in a different color. We got to close below, but there's also this gap here. So maybe I'll wait for another weekly candle. Okay, weekly candle with a gap. This is in 2015. I'm gonna refine. I'll leave it here. I'll refine. Okay, weekly gap, a weekly gap. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight this gap further. This one is a CB, a BC turn. I'm looking at it as an inversion gap, and this is the actual CB. So I'm going down to the daily. My target would be here, for a short. It's equal highs here, but also equal lows. So let's say we get in here. So I'm gonna put my stop like maybe around here. I'm looking for a short, so yeah. Came into there, came into that weekly. Could look at just putting the stop here. Okay. Say we're in the market. Daily, we see sell side here. So a buy side. So I would like to target at least down here. And then target down here as the final target. So we come into this gap. Okay, good. Okay, this is a wick sandwich. Let's see if we trade higher. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's go back to the weekly. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay. This one looks like you can go to our target. So pop one more time. Yeah, safer stop would be there, but it's okay. Let's move this here now. Cool highs here, but let's use that later when price potentially comes back to the upside. So we want to target this low based on this 2-month CB. So we took out this buy side. We start moving higher, then this may be the bottom, and we may have hit a higher time frame PD array, which we can look at. So close. But remember, if you're trading live, yeah, take partials. Trail your stop loss. Do whatever your strategy determines. If it's just put a trade and just let it run, then yeah, sure. It's completely up to you, right? But for the purpose, I normally take partials, but for the purpose of this video, it's just basically about doing analysis. So we got some equal lows here now. Bum bum. Come down. Okay. So target hit. Very good. I'm going to fast forward a bit. Okay, let's go to the 2 months. See what happened. Let's just take out everything. We have a look here. So this was the trade, right? Into the gap, internal range liquidity, external range liquidity. We got stopped out once for trying to get in a bit too early. Price came out. It's a 2-month chart. Let's go to the weekly. So what happened? We came in here, right? That, but decided to come higher first before taking out these equal lows. So start of the month. Okay. And this was our trade. And we got another inversion gap here, CB as well. A lot of confluences pointing to lower prices. So it came all the way down to this nice falling gap. Okay, that's like a higher time frame analysis. But for the sake of this, I'm just framing one trade. I'm not planning out runners and etc. etc. So we go again. Let's look at the 2-month again. Nice. Okay, so we came in this gap. Came into another 2-month gap down here. Expanded up, created a gap. We traded into that. Went higher, came down, and then went higher from there. Okay, this is an interesting one. So let's see what it looks like on like higher time frames. Okay, got this order block, came up to around the mean threshold. You can see how everything ties in together. On the 4-month came 6 months. Nothing much on the 6 month. Let's go to the 12 month, see where that ended. So we were in here, right? Look at that. It's even a yearly gap in here. It provided some downward momentum, but yeah, it just took out these lows, but it did not close lower because these are higher time frame things happening. And actually, yeah, right here we can see. So we came to this discount, premium, yearly gap, retrace into this discount CB, and then start moving higher. Now we took out this high here on the yearly chart, Euro Yen. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Hope you found it insightful and it helps you to frame better trades using a top-down analysis using ICT's concepts. So till next time, see you again. Bye-bye.